This is how to wash your celery thoroughly. Why? Because in between the cracks, there's dirt. To make the celery juice, I'm going to be using a blender and a cheesecloth. So first, let's chop the celery into large chunks to go inside the blender along with a cup of water. This is a cheesecloth. It's going to help us separate the pulp or fiber from the celery juice. This is the pulp. Be sure to incorporate it into soups, stews, smoothies, baked goods, sauces and dips, or compost. Celery is high in fiber and its juice can be great for digestive health. Here's an extra bonus. No matter how you make it, it tastes fantastic. 1 apple and 2 carrots. Let's get to blending. Pour the mixture into a cheesecloth. Here, take a sip. It's delicious.